Hello everyone, my name is Andru Estes, and welcome to my course, Handling and Analyzing Data with AWS Elastic MapReduce. Currently, I'm a cloud architect at CSG International. Big data is one of the fastest growing trends within the IT industry, and demand for data engineers is at an all-time high. In this course, we're going to explore how we can utilize AWS along with some popular data frameworks to analyze and process our big data datasets. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include configuring AWS Elastic MapReduce, exploring how we can process, move, and query our data. We're going to look at popular Apache products used for big data analysis, and we'll even leverage MLlib in our big data pipelines. By the end of this course, you'll know how to begin using AWS Elastic MapReduce to process your very own datasets. Now, before beginning this course, you should be familiar with relational and non-relational data, big data principles at a fundamental level, and basic AWS services. From here, you should feel pretty comfortable diving into big data deep dives with courses on deep dives into big data processing, maybe some SageMaker related courses for machine learning, or even just courses specific to some of the Apache products that we're going to cover throughout the course. Now, I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to use AWS Elastic MapReduce with the Handling and Analyzing Data with AWS Elastic MapReduce course here at Pluralsight.